Jai Hind dear students, I am Dr. Preeti Mittal. If you find it difficult to learn the valencies, then I'll tell you how easily you can work it out by yourself. Just you need to remember the atomic number of elements up to 20 and then you can easily work out their valencies. I'll show you how. Hydrogen has one electron in its outermost shell. It tries to have an valency that is similar to helium, the next noble gas, by having one more electron, and so its valency will be 1. Sodium has atomic number 11. So its electrons will be distributed like 2, 8, 1. There is one electron in the outermost shell which it will try to remove so as to complete its octet. Every element tries to have 8 electrons, that is the octet in its outermost shell. So to complete that octet, it will try to remove this electron and so its valency will be plus 1. Since it's losing a negative charge, so it will be plus 1. Now coming to oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. So its electronic configuration will be 2, 6. It will try to complete its octet for which it will require 2 electrons. It will gain 2 electrons to complete this octet. So its valency will be minus 2. Now coming to nitrogen. It has 7 electrons. So the electronic configuration will be 2, 5. There are 5 electrons in its outermost shell. So it will try to share 3 electrons and so its valency will be 3. Carbon, atomic number 6. It is having electronic configuration 2, 4. 4 electrons in its outermost shell. To complete the octet, it will try to share 4 electrons and so its valency will be 4. Sulfur, atomic number 16, electronic in configuration 2, 8, 6. It has 6 electrons in the outermost shell, so it will try to gain 2 electrons, so its valency will be 2. So by that way, you can work out the valency of the elements up to 20 very easily. For some polyatomic ions, also you can work out the valencies. I'll show you some examples. For example, carbonate ions. Carbonate is CO3 minus 2. Carbon was having 4 valency. Oxygen valency is 2. And there are 3 atoms, so multiplied by 3. So it's minus 2 multiplied by 3, that will give minus 6. Carbon was 4. 4 and minus 6 makes us minus 2. So its valency is minus 2. For hydroxide ions, OH ions, oxygen is minus 2, hydrogen is plus 1. So the net effect will be minus 1 and that is why hydroxide ion has a charge of minus 1. Bicarbonate ions or hydrogen carbonate ions, it's HCO3 minus 1. Why is it so? H is plus 1, carbon is 4 and oxygen, one atom is minus 2, but there are 3 atoms, so it's 3 into minus 2. So it will make a total of plus 5 and minus 6. That will make a total of minus 1. For some of the polyatomic ions, you can work out the valencies like this. But for some other polyatomic ions, you won't be able to work out the valencies like this because of the type of bonding in them. Okay. So there are some other types of bonding also. If that exists, then you won't be able to work it out like in this way for all polyatomic ions. But for every element, you will be able to easily work out up to element number 20, that is calcium. So I hope that will make your understanding of the valency and working it out a bit easier. Good day everyone.